Hello students, I am Sunita Shrivastava. I am going to tell you about Home Science of class 12th. Chapter 1, Nutrition Value of Milk in Diet. Milk is product of evolution designed specifically for the nutrition of infant. It is the only single animal product that contains all the essential of good diet. It contains a soluble carbohydrate, just milk, sugar or lactose, a substance found in no their natural food. The protein of has the highest food value because it supplies amino acid most needed for growth in the young and for repairs in the adult. Milk is also rich in mineral salts, especially in calcium and phosphorus, essential for building bones. Milk essentially contains all the vitamins. Milk forms a complete food that young their early life, and every different mammals product are different kinds of milk. The purity of milk depends largely on precaution taken during milking, for it can get contaminated while taking out the milk from the animal. The following precautions should be necessarily observed while drawing milk from the animal. Number 1. The udder and the teats must be clean in a good manner along with the animals and part of body. Number 2. The milkman must have clean, dry hands beginning to draw the milk. Number 3. The milk vessel must be clean. The composition of human milk as compared to that of cow, buffalo and goat milk. Protein. Cows, buffaloes and goat milk are highly enriched with protein. It has about 3 times more proteins than human milk. Fat. The fat contents of the cow milk and buffalo milk are nearly of the same order of human milk. Number 3. Minerals. The minerals contents of animal milk is about 2 to 5 times that of human milk, except in the case of certain trace elements such as iron, copper, etc. Number 4. Vitamins. The vitamins are content of human milk is nearly equal to the milk of cow, buffalo and goat. I will see modification of animal milk for infant feeding. The animal milk is modified in some ways for the case of digestion as infant's diet. It includes boiling, dilution with water, acidifying with organic and addition of buffer salts. Various forms of milk preparation. The popular forms of milk prepared are as cream, butter, ghee, cheese, curd, etc. The necessary quantity of milk per day for vegetarian, 300 to 400 grams of milk is essential to be taken, but non-vegetarians do not need so much milk because they consume meat, egg, fish, etc. in its place. In many tropical countries, it is difficult to get a daily supply to fresh clean milk from healthy dairy cattle that are imported. Preserved milk has to take the place of fresh milk as a protective food, evaporated milk, dried whole milk, dried skim milk. Students, I hope that you have understand the chapter. Please continue your study. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.